Hi there, my name is Tyra, and first of all, a huge welcome to the Acyuta family. We are thrilled to have you on board as our newest partner. At Acyuta, we believe in supporting our dealers every step of the way, and that's why I'm here, to help you get started with the Acyuta Trust Plus protection program. This is your most powerful tool for building long-term trust with your customers. Getting started is a breeze. Since you've just been appointed, our zonal business partner is already working behind the scenes to complete all your onboarding formalities. You don't need to worry about a thing. Once they've set you up, you'll receive a personalized welcome message on your phone. It contains your download link, your username, and your password. Simply click that link to download the app on your Android or iPhone. Open it up, enter your registered mobile number and password, and you're in. And don't worry if you ever forget your password. Just tap Forgot Password, enter your registered number, and hit Reset Password. Enter the OTP you receive, set your new password, and boom! You're ready to start offering the best protection in the industry to your customers. Welcome again to the team. I'll see you in the next episode where we'll dive into how to activate your first Trust Plus protection plan for your customers.